Are you having problems with your Ring Doorbell camera night vision not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you and explain to you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this. So there is actually 8 things that you can do to be able to try to fix this problem. The first one right here is going to be for you to check your infrared settings. So open your Ring app, then tap your device, go to device settings, video settings, and then check if your night vision is enabled. So if it's set to auto, try actually toggling it off and back on. So actually put it off and then back on and see if that can also fix this issue for you. Then the step number 2 is going to be to improve your lighting conditions. So ensure that there's actually enough ambient light nearby, like for example a porch light. If the area is way too dark, the camera may sometimes actually struggle to switch to night vision properly, just so you know. So if this is something that you think that might be the issue, so make sure that if you can actually have it nearby a small light or something. That can also fix this issue, just so you know. And step number 3, and for some reason this one right here seems to work like a lot, like almost fixes like the most problems actually. So it can be that the dust, dirt, or smudges on the lens can actually affect your night vision clarity. So you're just going to wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth and see if that can also fix this issue. So the step number 4 is going to be for you to adjust the angle of the camera. So if your camera is facing a reflective surface like a wall or a glass, it might actually cause an eye air glare, basically, if that makes sense. So you need to tilt the camera slightly downward or reposition it to avoid reflection. So step number 5 is going to be for you to power cycle the device. So remove the battery or unplug the doorbell for about 30 seconds. Then reconnect it once again. If wired, then turn off the circuit breaker for about 30 seconds as well, and then turn it back on and see if that can help it. And step number 6, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. So in the Ring app itself, go to device health and then check the RSSI Wi-Fi signal strength. A weak signal can actually cause video issues, just so you know. So you need to move your router closer or use a Wi-Fi extender to be able to fix this issue. So step number 7, update firmware. So you need to go into your Ring app and then tap on your device, then device health, and check if there is a firmware update available. Because if there is a firmware update available, make sure that you actually get it so you can actually have the latest update. You will be surprised on how much things that this one can actually fix it, just so you know. And step number 8, the last resort, you need to factory reset it basically. So press and hold the setup button on the Ring doorbell for about 30 seconds and then reconnect and set up the device again in your Ring app. So if this, like none of these 8 steps right here works for you, then you need to contact the Ring customer support and they will be the only ones that can help you from there basically. So if none of these 8 steps here actually work for you, then just go and contact the Ring customer support. Just go into like the Ring official website and then find support from there, and then just call them, or obviously you can email, maybe you can chat with them, I'm not sure. But basically the best thing is to just call them and explain to them that you tried all of this right here and it doesn't work, and just go from there with the support. But I hope that this tutorial is going to be able to fix this problem for you.